Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay.
Jay, this is going to be one of those very serious videos, I feel like.
Okay, shall I go?
Well, can we get serious Jay, and if not, can we bring back Pet Dick?
well, that started it seriously, hasn't it? Well done.
For those of you who are watching, we are going to talk about a serious topic here because in the last 6 weeks there have been a lot of marine incidents which has resulted in injuries and loss of life.
Which you might have seen, sorry to jump in, but you might have seen that in the press around the world.
Correct, and it's preventable loss of life. Now, the only thing that we would say is that this was not related to 5-Star Marine boats, companies, employees, guides, or guests.
And also, I was on holiday for 3 weeks, so I wasn't part of it.
But with us as an operator in the industry and one of the leading operators in the industry, we feel that we should address this particular problem.
Yes.
But more than that, rather than just address it, we should move towards helping to provide a solution.
Make change, I believe.
Yes.
Because, as I say, because Sean reached out to me when I was on holiday and said, Jay, we need to do something about this. There has been a few incidents over the past few weeks. And I said, okay, well, let's write a paper about it. Let's talk about a 5-Star Marine and what safety issues or what safety procedures we have in place. And Sean went, no, I want to do more than that. And I went, okay, what do you want to do? So what are we doing, Sean?
So this is what's happened in the last few days and what's going to happen moving forward. Firstly, if you are a marine operator, a tourism operator, a tour guide, you sell a tour that goes on to the sea on January 15th between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. You need to be at Phuket Lagoon.
15th.
We will be running the very first ever marine industry safety event at Phuket Lagoon.
Good.
And this is not a 5-Star Marine only event.
Nope.
This is an event that is a private government partnership in that the governor, the vice governor, all marine department officials on the island, all leaders from all government agencies on the island will be at this event.
Wow.
And at this event, we will be announcing some new marine industry safety standards that we would like operators to implement and follow. We, 5-Star Marine, will be there. A lot of other foreign operators on the island will be there, as well as Thai operators, because from the Thai side, companies like Banana Beach, companies like Nikon Marine, some of the biggest operators on the island have joined together with us and the government to decide that this is the way that we want to move forward. And I think the key words that we're saying here is joining together or coming together as an industry to make a commitment to improve marine safety for all guests on all tours, on all operators, departing all piers in all of Phuket.
That's right. Now, bear in mind, you might think, well, I don't have a boat or I'm not in the marine industry. Yes, but when your family and friends come on holiday, they go out on boats. You might know someone that owns a boat, or you might know a GM that runs a hotel and their guests go out on boats. So it's important for everybody and all of us. And we've all said, didn't we, a lot of people turn around to Sean and say, oh, we can't do anything here. We don't have any power. The government don't listen to us because we're expats. Well, they're listening now. And this is an opportunity for us to all come together, all nationalities, to come together, sit in a room and make a commitment to change. And that's the key thing.
I 100% agree with you, and I understand that if you are an expat and you own a business in the marine industry, that you are going to be 100% skeptical of what's about to happen. But that's because previously there was never foreign involvement in the change. But in this case, we were lucky enough that the governor and the vice governor reached out to me to go and provide some advice, and this will be what we call phase 1 for the first step of change. And it's going to be a baby step because we need to make it so that we can slowly move forward. Change does not happen overnight. Change cannot be a 360-degree change in the space of a day. We have to slowly move the needle, and by slowly moving the needle, we can improve the quality of operations on the island and start to save lives on the sea. And I'm going to speak now to the tourists that are watching this. If you are a tourist that comes to Phuket and you choose to go on a boat tour, which would be more than 70% of tourists that come to Phuket choose to go island hopping, you need to know that you're choosing to go with an operator that follows the very basic levels of safety standards. The operators that come to this event, we'll have a list of them, we'll have their logos, and you'll know that these are the safe operators on the island to go with.
These are the ones that care.
Care enough to turn up, care enough to agree that we need to make change, and care enough to make a commitment to improve the safety of the marine industry on the island. And this is not just speedboat operators, it's diving shops, it's dive operators, tour guides, tour operators, yachts. We're even got you and I will be at the Asia Super Yachting Conference talking about safety to the Asia Super Yachting industry as well.
Ooh.
They'll come.
Do we get a super yacht?
Oh, I would like to go on one.
Oh, that'd be nice.
It's too expensive.
Okay.
So, you know, this video is on our channel, and normally in our channel we're very light, we're very funny, we're talking about tours, we're talking about having a great time. So I apologize about the serious tone, but for us as a company, we are stepping forward and we're taking a big risk. This is a huge risk, and the risk is that the foreign operators do not turn up to this event, and instead of showing themselves and stepping forward and supporting the idea of change, they prefer to sit at home on the keyboard and write stuff that is not helpful. So if that's ever been you've ever seen an incident or a response and you're sitting there going, it's not what should happen, here's your chance. Come turn up, come support those who are willing to put their necks on the line to make this significantly better for your friends, your family, your countries that visit this island.
For the whole of Phuket, it's our home. We live here. We want it to be good. We want it to be positive. That's right. What's the date again, Sean?
So it's going to be the 15th of January.
15th of January.
Registration will be at 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Okay, we understand Phuket traffic is bad, but please try to make it by 5 p.m. It will go until 7 p.m. The meeting part will go until 7, and then we'll do an open networking session from 7 to 8. Now, this will be the very first time that this kind of event has been held, but more than that the government officials will stay post the meeting. They will be available in the networking session between 7 and 8 where you can talk with them, right? And this is, a lot of people ask us, how do we get to these officials? How do we talk to them? This is your chance. This is your chance. You know, we've done the best we can to get them, and Jay, the list of officials that are coming to the event,
It's very long.
It's very long, and it's their commitment. You know, when they say to myself and some of the Thai operators, can we help put this event together? We say, well, you need to bring to the table the people who help make the decisions and enforce the decisions. And every decision maker on Phuket is there at the event.
Good. What's the date again?
15th of January, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. at Phuket Boat Lagoon. Now, the exact venue in Boat Lagoon is not yet decided, but there will be signage as you drive into security, and I will have leaflets at security show you where to go.
Come and make a change. We need you to make a commitment to change and support us all.
Just make a commitment to just turn up. That's half of the battle is just turning up. If you can show the government that the industry is willing to come together, the government can then start to make more radical change because they feel supported by you in making these changes.
Cool.
So let's turn up in big numbers, and let's show them that we're ready.
Excellent. Good job, Sean.
Thank you, Jay. Did
Thanks,
I miss
mate.
anything?
No, I don't think so.
It's very serious.
It was very serious. Let's go and record something fun now.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, we should say there's going to be a link below to register if you'd like to register to come.
Oh, there you go.
And
It's quite an important bit, that.
we're all over our social media will be all the details again if you've forgotten.
Good. Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Bye.